How many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account? Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video, we will talk about how many reports are needed to delete an Instagram account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you want to delete your account, you can report your account to Instagram support. And here in Instagram, the number of reports required to delete an account is not fixed, and it depends upon the specific circumstances and Instagram review process. Instagram doesn't automatically delete the account based on the specific number of reports. Instead, they evaluate each report to determine if the report content or account violates their community guidelines. So, each report is reviewed by Instagram moderation team. If account violates their policies, action is taken. Or if the account is involved in several violations, Instagram may remove it just after one verified report. And reporting an account without legitimate grounds usually has no impact, as Instagram discards invalid or baseless report. So, there is not any fixed number of reports to delete your Instagram account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.